This is Naisha from Naisha Sculpts. I know I've been out for a while, but I am back and I'm going to be sharing with you 2 techniques that I use to create lashes. The first technique is the instance technique, where you create a lash using the tube tool and then you copy or clone that lash using the instance tool, or you can use just the clone tool. So don't using instance means that all the lashes will appear the same. So here you see me lowering the tube typology, and what this does is save a lot of space, because when this when if you want to put a lot of lashes, I suggest you do this. Lower the typology so that you can have as many lashes as you want. Lower top lashes as low as 3, as low as you can get it. You can have as many lashes as you want on your eyes without using too much space. Once you are ready, go ahead and select the clone tool or insert tool, and when you go into add another part or lash, make sure you select instance or you select clone, whichever one you want. Right now you see me selecting instance, and again, as I said before, this will make the lashes be the same. Another way to create lashes, this technique uses the curve tool. So you're going to set your lash either at the beginning of the eyelid or at the end, and you're going to pivot the gizmo tool so that the green arrow is facing inwards towards her nose. And once that's done, you go into scene, select add, select curve, and then increase the number of objects that's on the curve of the lashes. And this creates really nice uniform lashes. If you want, you can go into curve settings and randomize the lashes so that they aren't as static and going in one direction. I know I said only 2 techniques in the beginning, but I'm going to have to throw this technique in there in case you want to use planes. So what you can see me doing here is adding a plane to where the eyelash is, and I'm going to curve that plane using the move tool to curve along the top eyelid. Once you do that, or I'm going to do that after, once you do that, you're going to go into texture and you're going to add a hair texture to that plane. And then, as I was saying before, you're going to use the move tool to curve that plane. If you want both sides of the lashes to be the same color, make sure you go into settings and turn off the one side color, make it double-sided. But what you see me about to do here is using the move tool to curve this plane to the eyelid, and this you can get almost, I feel like, a more natural eyelash look depending on how you work it out. It gives you more natural like hair on the eyelash, and it's only using one object, and it's quite easy to use and easy to figure out. If you want, you can actually use all three of these methods and combine them to make a really beautiful lash look, almost like fake lashes or synthetic lashes, and it gives a really nice, pretty look to the eyes. So, those are three lash techniques that I use, not two. And I hope they work out for you. And definitely let me know in the comments if they do work out or which one you prefer. I'll see you next video. Don't forget to subscribe, show some love, share with other people who are interested in this. Also, go to my Patreon if you have any commissions or questions or recommendations. And I look forward to see you next video. Bye.